Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and acquiring compatible assets. First, back up your world so you can revert if something breaks, and enable experimental gameplay when required. Next, download a Render Dragon compatible shader or HDR texture pack-in, McPack or Macadon format. This ensures the engine supports PBR and higher dynamic range. Once the files are on your phone, locate them in your file manager so you can import them directly into Minecraft. This step gets the files ready and avoids later import errors. Now import the pack into Minecraft by tapping the file. Minecraft will add it to your resource or behavior packs. Open your world, go to Edit and enable the new resource and behavior packs, then restart the world to apply changes. Once loaded, open video settings and confirm Render Dragon or shader support is enabled, set fancy graphics, and choose a moderate render distance to balance quality and performance. Finally, enter the shaders options, adjust exposure, bloom intensity, and color grading to sculpt highlights and preserve shadow detail for true HDR look. Finish by testing in different lighting, an open sky scene for highlights and a cave or dense forest for shadows so you can confirm highlight retention and shadow detail. Make final tweaks, reduce particles, lower draw distance, and close background apps to stabilize frame rate while preserving HDR effects. If the pack causes crashes or won't import, clear Minecraft's cache, ensure the pack matches your game version, and re-import. If conflicts persist, disable other resource packs and try again, which often resolves compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.